My name's Joe Papandrea. You're in our family butcher shop at Joe Papandrea Quality Meats in Weatherall Park. Still do the traditional way of butchery, where we use whole carcass and we cut it up on site and serve all the cuts. Cuts that have been overlooked in beef, the long part of the beef ribs, not necessarily the beef short ribs, as it's a fantastic cut which can be barbecued and also slow cooked. We also have the cuts from the flank or the skirt muscles in the flank, in the whole beef flank. They've got a nice coarse grain, it's got a fantastic flavour, and they can be grilled and also slow cooked as well. So these cuts are very versatile, secondary cuts. They are cheaper, but they're very nice to eat and they've got a fantastic flavour. Getting it off the carcass is the hardest part. Once you've got it, then it's easy. I think there are definitely some benefits in exploring the secondary cuts. Meat's closer to the bone. You actually get a real nicer, stronger, beefier flavour out of those cuts.